Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna do a fun makeup tutorial. But before that, I really wanna thank Dermaco for partnering with me in today's video. Now let's jump into cleansing. Now, why do we cleanse our face? It's because we have to get rid of the product buildup on our face, okay? So like previous days makeup or skincare products that we had, we wanna start with a fresh face. So I'm gonna take the Dermaco's AHA and BHA foaming cleanser. Now what does this do? Both AHA and BHAs are acids that exfoliate the skin. Okay, so AHA comes in the form of glycolic acid and is water soluble. So basically it helps in anti-aging, pigmentation, acne scarring and other surface level skin concerns. And BHA on the other hand, it's a form of salicylic acid that penetrates deeper into the skin and has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. And it's excellent for treating acne prone skin. And the best part is it's suitable for all skin types. Now I'm a dry skin, I use this and it was so light and so clean. Like my skin felt really fresh and clean after that. And it's dermatologically tested. Now this can be used in the morning or in the evening before going to bed. Okay guys, so the next product is the 10% niacinamide serum by the Dermaco. Now what is niacinamide? It's an anti-inflammatory. It works to regulate the amount of acne causing oil, okay, that's being produced by the glands in your skin. And it also controls sebum production. So the serum is infused with zinc. Now what does zinc do? It helps regulate your sebum production and it promotes clear skin. So niacinamide or vitamin B3 have been clinically proven to visibly reduce large pores and prevent acne. So it's highly recommended that you use this daily in the morning and in the night, and it will help improve your skin texture. So the Dermaco as a brand has products that solve skin concerns like acne, pigmentation and open pores. So definitely check them out. You can also use my code Malvika25 and get 25% off. Alright guys, I prepped my skin and then we're gonna move on to foundation. I'm taking the Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation and I love this foundation, you guys know it. It's super skin-like and it's just very lightweight. So I think it's a good foundation to use for the summers simply because you don't want a cakey, heavy-duty foundation during this time at least. I'm gonna put on some lip cream and then I'm gonna move on to concealer. For concealer, I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. It's a very good full coverage concealer. I'm gonna start off with very little bit in the beginning. And I'm gonna take my beauty sponge and blend it out. I'm picking up my brush and just putting the concealer on my lid to cancel out the darkness and going in with the second layer of concealer. I do this all the time to get a full effect of the coverage. Voila, it's ready. Now we're gonna move on to setting our face. I'm taking the Maybelline loose powder and I'm just going to bake a little bit under the eye and set the rest of my face using the same powder. Guys, my eyebrows, I need my eyebrow didi now. Like it's all over the place. I can't. Okay, I'm just going to try and create good brows, like try with all my heart. Yeah, it was really difficult task to do, but like I managed. I try to stay within my natural eyebrow line. For eyeshadow, I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Carli Bybel collab palette. This is one of my favorite palettes of all time. It's got a very pastel-y feel to it and I'm all about that. I'm gonna take that orange color and I'm just gonna put that in my crease and all over. I'm gonna get rid of my bake and continue with the eyeshadow. I'm sort of just blending it out messily. I'm not placing it specifically anywhere. I'm gonna pick up that reddish color and I'm putting it in the outer corner. I wanted like a fiery sort of eyeshadow, you know. I really was winging it at this point, but I was very inspired by the earlier shadow that I put. And the combination of red and orange is just so beautiful. And then I'm taking the Urban Decay Naked palette. This is the Honey palette, and I'm taking that chocolate brown color and I'm creating a slight smoky wing. I do that, I've been doing that recently simply because it elongates the eye and it looks very nice and sultry. It's barely even visible, but it really makes your eye look very long and almond-like. So I'm taking that in my lower lash line and connecting it. Then I'm going to take those caramel shades and I'm putting that in the crease just to create some depth. And then I'm picking up the cream and white shadow and I'm putting it in my lid, on my lid. This really opens up the eye and it just gives like a very clean look. I just love putting cream shadows in the inner corner and lid. I'm finishing my lower lash line and moving on to mascara. For mascara, I'm taking the Flower Beauty Lash Warrior Mascara, one of my favorite mascaras ever. And I'm just coating my lashes really well because I don't want to wear falsies. I think I want to just let it be natural. I'm going in with the NYX liner. Oh my god, how vibrant is this color. I love these liners simply because it's super pigmented. And the combination of orange, blue, excuse me, it's one of the best combos. I stopped halfway and I wanted to use this K-Beauty liner. It's a teal color liner. So it's gonna show like an ombre effect between the vibrant blue and the teal. I don't know, something different, you know. It's not too intimidating, you guys. Like, trust me, I'm afraid of color liners, but this really look nice. So pretty. I love how this looks, you guys. There's some pop of color happening somewhere, you know. It's a very festival party sort of makeup, which we can't go to now, but yeah, we'll move on. I'm using this L'Oreal bronzer and I'm contouring my nose. And I'm gonna bronze up and contour my face as well. So I'm just adding a little warmth and color to my face. Then I'm taking this Milani blush and I forgot the name, but it's a very tan orange blush. I'm gonna apply it all over my nose, my cheek, and create this very sun-kissed, sun-burnt look actually. It's a very burnt orange color, okay? Super tan. And I don't know where I was going with this, but as I was doing it, I was like, okay, maybe I can create something very colorful, very like sultry with this. Like, you know, you've been in the tropicals for a really long time and you're wearing your hula hoop skirt and this is the makeup I would probably wear. So yeah, I'm just putting so much blush right now simply because that's the whole look. Okay, it's a little dramatic. I'm taking this color bar liner and I want to create some freckles. It's my favorite thing to do nowadays, but this sets really fast, so I had to give that up and use this MAC lip liner. And I'm just gonna start dotting it all around. You want to warm it behind the palm of your hand first and then you want to start dotting it. Very uneven, very displaced. Freckles are known to be very like all around the face and uneven sizes. So don't be very precise with this, okay? Don't worry about it. You'll see me hold the pencil in a slant way and sort of dot everything because I want it to be of different sizes. And I'm gonna blend it with my finger as I go. So dot, blend, that's how you create a natural effect. Then you go ahead and use your beauty sponge and just mush it all together. Then I'm going ahead and putting that on my like temple area and like just displacing it everywhere and adding a lower lash line mascara. And then we're gonna move on to more freckles because I really thought it had to be of different colors. So you wanna make sure you're sticking to red colors and light brown colors. Don't go in with black. Yeah, I made a mistake there, but freckles, like I said, are not perfect. So don't worry about, you know, getting it precise. Just displace it as much as you can and it's gonna look so pretty. Now I'm lining my lip with the same lip liner. It's Flirt by Huda Beauty, and then my lipstick is First Kiss by Huda Beauty again, and it's a very browny, like it's a very dark brown nude color. I was going for a brown nude color, but I'm like, this makeup needs a little bit of color. So I took Rendezvous by the same brand, Huda Beauty, and I put that on top. For highlighter, I'm taking Fenty Beauty Highlighter in Mean Money and Hustla Baby, and I'm just gonna add that glow to my cheek. Now I literally look like I should be on like some tropical party in Hawaii or something like that, just saying. so pretty, but then I realized my lipstick is too pink, so I needed to add some orange, and my favorite orange lipstick is Driver's Seat by Smashbox, so I added that on top, and finally it was balancing out completely. So you gotta try out different things, you know. And that is it, you guys. That's the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this fun video. Again, I want to thank Dermaco for partnering with me on this video. And I'm obsessed with how my face looks and my skin looks and my eyeliner looks. Oh my god, juicy. Love you. I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.